What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us in which manner, at what place or time, something happened or was done. Let's get started. Conjunctive adverbs. Usually, we place conjunctive adverbs between two independent clauses, followed by a semicolon and a comma. Commas usually separate conjunctive adverbs from the rest of the sentence when they occur elsewhere in the sentence. Let's look into the list of conjunctive adverbs. First, to show addition, we can use again, also, besides, finally. Next, to show contrast, we can use however, otherwise, anyway, and instead. Then, to show result, use words like accordingly, hence, therefore, consequently. Now, to show time you can use meanwhile, next, then. To show specific case, use namely and specifically. To show similarity, use likewise, similarly. Now, to return back to main point after conceding, use still, nevertheless. To strengthen a point, use indeed. To recognize a point off your main point, you can use undoubtedly, certainly. Let's see more. Adverbs of time provide information about the timing of an action. These answer the question when. For example, 1. It is my birthday today. 2. It has already been a year. 3. I want to see you now. Now, moving on. Adverbs of place often describe a location of where things take place. These answer the question where. For example, there is a spider hanging on its web. He asked me to go somewhere else. Next. Adverbs of frequency show us how often or how many times a thing took place. These answer the question, how often? Here is an example of how we use adverbs of frequency. The percents show how much time the action occurred. Now, moving on. Adverbs of degree inform us about to what degree or extent something happens. These answer the question, how much? For example, I almost got the highest mark. The pink blouse is the least I like. Next. Adverbs of manner inform us about the manner in which an action precedes it. These answer the question, how? As examples, I can ace the examinations easily. Can you walk slowly, please? However, there are formulas to be followed in order to use adjectives of manners. First adjective plus the suffix ly, such as instant, becomes instantly. Second, omit the letter y and add the suffix ily, such as happy, becomes happily. Third, there are also irregular forms of adverbs. For example, good becomes well.